This is a little shrew. I just heard Columbus make a sound like eh! I think it bit him. Well, Columbus was trying to hurt it. Weren't you, Columbus? Yeah, you gotta stop bothering the little creatures. Shrews aren't like mice. They're actually predatory and they have teeth. Columbus, you leave it alone. Let's see if I can catch it. Uh-oh, he's trying to bite me. Now, I don't think he can quite reach me. So, what I'm going to do, you know, this is the taming of the shrew. Scruffed it, and I'm going to take it, I probably should have scruffed it a little further up, but it still couldn't reach me, fortunately. So, I'm going to take it to a safer location. Yeah, Kika. Poor little shrew. You want to hang on there? Oh, he's biting my shirt. Check it out. All right. The taming of the shrew. He wants to bite my shirt. All right. Fine. I've scruffed him a little higher just to make sure. Come on, let go. He's gonna have to let go eventually. So yeah, they actually can kill mice. So they're not a grain eater or a pesky rodent. They actually are predators. And oftentimes my cats do kill mice and shrews and lizards and snakes. So I'm happy to save this little shrew. You can see it in this lighting. He still hasn't let go of me. Hey, you. There we go. Oh, hang on there, little sweetheart. We're doing that long walk. The walk to freedom. Oh, look, more cats. Hi, little Mo. You can't have this guy either. I mean, he doesn't exactly like being dangled in the sky. He's wiggling all around. And I don't blame him. But I just gotta move him away from all these mean kitties. Of course, they can travel down here too. But at least he's further away. Make sure nobody's following me. Okay. It's pretty funny though that Columbus was picking on this little guy and he got bit. There we go. Alright, I'm going to release it over here. And I'm going to put him on a rock and take a picture of him. I'll show a little bit of him on the rock. There you go. He says, I've had enough. Now where do I go? You can't stay on the rock though. I might maybe should take him down. Alright. I'm going to put him here. Then he'll know what to do. There you go. Okay. There we go. He'll be safe down there. Thanks for watching Healthy Homesteading Adventures, Wildlife Edition. Bye.